really don't want you. No matter how you try, he just don't seem to know your worth. Like living in two separate worlds at the same time, with all communications offline. So let me turn off your satellite, he's not there. If you're looking for Superman, I'm right here. And you won't have to cry yourself to sleep. You can have my heart, it's yours to keep. You won't have to hide your pain no more, 'cause he doesn't love you like before. No, he don't ever hold you like that, touch you like that, kiss you like I do. No, he don't ever listen like that, miss you like that, love you like I do. No, he doesn't love you. Sometimes you feel like you wanna run away from the rain and the blue skies that turn to gray, and there's no turning back. So how will he react when you're gone? And you like living on two separate worlds at the same time, with all communications offline. So let me turn off your satellite.